Hello firewood people, this is Chris and we are in the wood yard again today. Today we're going to do some wood splitting. I got my splitter back yesterday from my brother. He did some welding on it because I basically wore it out and he healed it. It's a pretty good heal, I think. What he did was he did some welding on parts that I busted. So I'll show you what he did. Right here on this rail, this was completely wore through right here. And this whole top part lifted up a good, I don't know, must have been an inch or so. And there was a separation all the way through here that was about a half an inch. So he pounded this down and he ran some beads back and forth and welded this up and fixed it up. So anyway, you can see on the inside there he did a little welding on that. And then this bracket right down here was broke. He fixed that, welded this back. And over here, this part right here was broke. He welded that. This whole gate was, the rack was busted, so he welded that. And he welded over here, back in this corner on this piece, because this was broke right here. So now I should be able to put a car or something up on top of there. It's pretty solid now, so it's probably actually better than what it was when it was new. But yeah, I've ran this particular splitter I've had for a little, I don't know, 2 years or so. I've run pretty much about 800 face cords of wood through it, which is a lot for a little cheapy splitter like this. But it's worked just fine. It's made me some money. It's paid for itself a little bit. I paid like $1,000 for it and did about 800 face cords, so a little over $1 a face cord for a splitter. It's a pretty good deal. So here's the pile. I started over there and I did that little bit splitting right there a while ago, and now I'm going to go this direction. So I'm going to grab here, chuck there, and just work my way this direction and work into this pile around back over this way. And I've got to go all the way down through here and then all the way over to there. So I'm going to kind of try to work the stuff this way because I want to be able to clean this area up right in here and then stack wood in here also. And then when I get that done, which won't be till a couple days from now, because I don't have that much time today even to do it, then I'm going to start working on this wood. This was the free wood I got from the farm that I cut. I think I figured somewhere around 20 face cords all together right here. So all this needs to be split. This is all ash mostly. A little bit of some other stuff in there too, all the way down to here. And I'm going to go to the farm one of these days, probably. I might run out there tomorrow because things are drying up here pretty good. And if things are dry enough here for me to drive on the lawn and get around, I'm kind of thinking the farm might be drying up now too out in the fields because they are digging the ditches, so the drainage will get better now. And I should be able to get to the big piles of wood that I've been cutting on. That's all free wood. They cut down over 800 trees, and he's got probably another 400 or 500 to cut down on two of the rows on the outside of his property line. So hopefully I'll get in on some of that too. But I got to get this stuff split up, and I'm going to go to the farm and then check it out and see if I can get some more free wood. So that's the plan. So we're going to do some splitting now. So here we go. Well, that does it for today. My splitting is done. My back is sore. I'm starving. The sun is starting to set. It's probably close to, I don't know, it's got to be close to 7 o'clock. And I got a little bit of that pile done over there. I ate into that, which was nice. And I decided to come down to the stuff that was just cut. And it's very juicy, so I'm glad I'm going to be doing this next. I'm just going to work my way through this pile because this stuff is really wet wood because it was cut green just recently. And the stuff from the other pile was cut a year ago, so that when I'm splitting it, just the center of it is a little bit wet yet. So it's probably more than 50% dry, whereas this stuff is 100% wet, very green. And so I'm going to work through this whole thing and get this split first because it needs more time to dry, obviously. So thanks for watching. I know you're going to poke a button now or 2 or 3. Just go ahead, poke them all. You want to do that because it's fun. And I will see you tomorrow. Same wood time, same wood channel. Good night, Irene.